So today is Tuesday the 4th of September, and I'm literally getting ready to film my giveaway video with all of these goodies. It's already up on my channel. If you would like to win, there is a YouTube giveaway, there is an Instagram giveaway, and then I can't reach it because it's too far away. But there's also a little gold bag which is for my Twitter giveaway. Oh, did you see that fly land in my head then? It's like, when did my 7-year-old sister become big enough to be able to go in the shower by herself? First of all, when did she become big enough where she liked showers? She used to hate showers. But when did she become big enough where she could just go in the shower by herself? And like Megan, I'll show you a picture. Well, I don't know whether her mum will want me to show a picture. Actually, I'll leave it just to be safe. Megan started like big school today. She started secondary school. Like, she's gone into like year 7. And it's just crazy. Like, my younger brother Oliver, he's gone now into year 3. And he just looks so big and so grown up. But anyways, as I was saying before I had to go help Millie, I'm putting on the Sport FX Raspberry Rhubarb Recovery Lip Balm. I'm not sure if that lighting's a little bit better, a bit close and personal. Hello. So I'm taking the Rimmel Lasting Finish Breathable Medium Coverage Foundation, and I just kind of like to dot this. I'm doing this literally using my viewfinder thingamajiggy as my mirror, because I can't see a thing in my mirrors because I do not have contact lenses in. That was quite a lot on that cheek. Oops. And I wore this for work today, and I like it for work and for like bits and bobs, like doing messages, like when I've got errands to do. But do I like it as all the time and when I pick it over other foundations? No. But like, it's just nice, it does its job. I won't say it's very good if you're very oily, but ooh, and I'm losing focus. Hello, I'm over here. So I've had a lot of blackheads on my nose that I've discovered today, and to counteract them I basically popped them all. So I've just put some of that concealer on my nose to counter out that redness. So that is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, Instant Anti-Age Razor Eye concealer. Still not really covered it up. And then I'm also going to take a little bit of that underneath my eyeballs. And then I'm also going to be taking the Primark PS My Perfect Colour Liquid Concealer for £2. And I'm going to put this just here to kind of brighten all of this up, like so. I'm going to put a little bit on my nose as well, because that concealer isn't the best for coverage, the Maybelline one. So maybe that can cover up my redness. And then for that, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe sponge, which I have been, I'm not going to lie, absolutely loving. Very, very impressed. I need a mirror because I can't actually see what I'm doing right now. I've just turned my lights off because I don't know if I was looking like really, really orange or like really yellow. I'm going to be going in with the Revolution The One Sculpt Contour Stick, and I'm not going to lie, I absolutely love this. It gives me such a nice bronze glow to my skin, to the point where I really do feel like I could wear this and not bother with bronzer, like just for like a natural look, not for like a glam look. And like, I'm not good at nose contouring, and it's not really something that I'm bothered about. I just like to do it to put just a little bit of colour on my nose as well. So yeah, I've been absolutely loving doing this, and you can get this, pretty sure I saw this on the Revolution website the other day in the sale for like £1 or £2, and it'll last you for so long. And I'm just taking just a dual fibre brush that I got off eBay, which is meant to be a dupe for a MAC one, for like the 182 I think it was called, but it's rubbed out now. And I just literally roughly rub this in. What I was wondering is, would you like me to do a review on the Revolution brand new foundation? It comes out tomorrow, but when you're watching this video, it has already been out. I might upload this video on a Friday. And if that's the case, I filmed this video 3 days before, on the Tuesday of this week. So let me know. Let me know, let me know, let me know. I've just watched Sophia's Nails video on it, and it just did not look good at all as soon as she got oily. And I found that with the concealer as well. It wasn't really the best if you started getting a bit oily and stuff, so you couldn't really use it to like conceal around your nose or anything like that. I had to be somewhere where it was just going to be dry. So yeah, I'm going to be going in with the Nude by Nature powder, just like this, and just a huge brush from Girls of Attitude. I know you can get some of their stuff in Primark, like some of their lashes, I believe. And I'm just going to get this and just dot it all over my face because this won't be on for long anyway. Soph is also doing at the moment a drugstore week, so every single day, Monday to Friday, she's uploading a video where she's doing something that's related to drugstore, whether it's a tutorial or trying out one product or whatever. And obviously today's was the Makeup Revolution foundation, the Conceal and Define I think it's called. So I was wondering, would you like me to do that, because like I found drugstore week, because can you remember like ages and ages ago when I did I've done like back to school week, I've also done, what else did I do, first impressions week, which is kind of similar, but obviously it doesn't have to be limited to drugstore then. Let me know, because I really enjoyed doing that small YouTuber series, and that was a lot easier to do because I was literally just like filming my day, which I was doing anyway. There was no extra, obviously the extra work of filming it, but it wasn't extra work, if that makes sense. So yeah, please let me know, because if it's something that you're interested in, then I'll start planning for it. I'm going to be going in with the Spectrum A05 brush and the Colourpop Aphrodisiac Super Shock Cheek Matte Blusher. It just looks like this. And I've been loving this for the past couple of days for work. If you saw my light flash then, it flashes when somebody's in the shower. And Billy is obviously in the shower. So yeah, please let me know, because I would love to do another kind of weekly series thing. I already have a series in mind to do for like a makeup series, like based on a makeup thing, and I just haven't got around to doing it yet, and I've had this idea for so long, and I really hope nobody else takes it, which I don't think they will, because it's very kind of tailored to me and very specific, and I think you'd have to have been very into what I was into when I was a child to think of this series, which many people have been into what I'm talking about, which I'll be revealed soon. But it's whether they would actually do a makeup series based on that is a different story. So I'm excited. I just need to like get round to actually doing it. I've just realised today that I'm due 3 weeks holidays off work. So I'm hoping I'm going to have a lot more time off work recently before I start my new job. And if that's the case, it's going to be basically just time to film my butt off, ready in prep for when I go full time, because once I go full time I'm not going to have a day off a week to film, so I'm going to have to like film a lot in the night time after work. I'm going to have to film on a weekend, which I don't really like doing. I don't really like filming when there's people in the house. By the way, I was just putting some MAC bronzer. Like, why aren't I in focus? Am I in focus? I think so. I put some MAC bronzer on there. And the Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Tan, which I absolutely love. Emma, if you're watching this, like, you need to get it. And then I'm also, oh, that felt a bit shaky. I'm also going in with my Doll Light Like a Diamond highlighter, which is one of my favourite highlighters ever. Is that fly then? That was so cheeky. And I'm also really wanting to get the Pretty Little Glow one, where it's like in collaboration with Pretty Little Thing. And I ordered some Pretty Little Thing stuff last night, and I didn't have it on the website. So I also ordered some Boohoo stuff. I ordered some shoes from River Island. So let me know if you want me to do a haul of clothes I bought recently, because I mean there's some clothes in that bag, but they're going back because they're naff from Primark. There's some stuff from Matalan that I've bought recently, with like £100 worth of stuff from Matalan. Let me know, because I don't know what's been wrong with me, but ever since I said I was saving to move out, I've just been spending. So for brows, I mean I want to paint my brows on, but I can't be bothered to save my life, and I've got this spot in my eyebrow and it's so sore, so I'm literally going to comb these bad boys like so, and then just go in with my literally the product that has changed my brow game, especially for my daily everyday brows, you know what I mean. This is the NYX mascara in black. Oh, and it's like a brow mascara, it's not like an actual mascara. And then you just brush. I'm doing this totally blind, like I can't actually see what I'm doing. Does that look alright? Yeah. I mean, look at the difference. Looks so much fuller and thicker. Yeah, boy. Look at the brow difference. And all I've done is put a bit of mascara on. I have got this Ted Baker brow pencil as well, which I used this morning for the first time, and it was okay. Because I'm not used to a brow pencil, I'm probably not the best at putting them on. I'm just going to lightly put a little bit on. And for my eyeshadow, I'm literally going to go in with just a palette from Makeup Revolution. Loving the Makeup Revolution, aren't I? Oh god, this is the Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette. And I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush from the Girls of Attitude brush set as well. And I'm just going to go in with this colour. And just literally put that in my crease.
Baby,
Can
I be in your video?
What for?
Because I just want to say hi.
Yeah, if you want. You want to say hi?
Is it on?
Yeah.
Oh, hi. I've just been in the shower. Have you been recording the whole time while I was in the shower?
Yeah.
Have you been in the shower, Princess? Yeah, but Mum! Yeah? Can baby brush my hair?
Yeah, if you want. And I'm just popping some of that underneath my eye as well. And I'm going to be taking a C4 brush from Bell, and I'm going to be going in with this darker colour here, and we're going to be trying to put this kind of in the outer part here, just to kind of deepen all of this up. So just put up as much as you want if you are following along, just to kind of deepen that up. And I don't know whether to go in with like a pinky shimmer or something in this bit, we shall see. And should we go up a bit of on the lid? Let's go for a bit on the lid. So I'm going to be taking a brush that I got off eBay, and we're going to go in with this lighter shimmery colour here and pop that all over the lid. Not as shimmery as what I thought it was going to be, but I mean, it's okay. Let's try it with my finger. See, with my finger it looks so pretty. And then I'm just going to go in with a Ted Baker mascara and my Show You Mirror eyelash curlers, which are my absolute favourite in the whole wide world. And for lips, I'm going to go in with the Lord & Berry Ultimate Lip Liner in 3037 Tanned Nude. And then in the middle, I'm going to go in with a Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip. This is in the shade Times Square. And I might possibly put a gloss over the top. We shall see. So this is the finished look. I actually went on top with the Peaches and Cream lip gloss in Diamond, and it is beautiful. Yes! So thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays, but sometimes I may do a little sneaky upload on a Friday, so keep your eyes peeled. Love you very much. Peace out.